Hi everyone and welcome to Weekly Trading Ideas, Quick Trading Ideas. My name is Nenad and it's a new week. It's actually the NFP Mondays, so the price is ranging, but we will review all of the trading ideas. CFD and Forex are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits. So please fully understand the risks before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. All these trading rules have not been changed, so please pause the screen and watch the trading rules if you are first-time viewer. All results that I actually have are uploaded to my Fixbook real time, so these are results on my Fixbook, and you can, of course, see them and follow my results. Current gain plus 314%, and still going very, very strong. Okay, now trading ideas. We will be quick. I am actually selling now euro dollar, and basically I still think that euro dollar is in downtrend, although we might see some tick higher due to lack of data before the Wednesday. So I hold this trade, and I'm actually in a sell position with this price and the target. So target 1.0960, entry 1035 to 45. This is the zone, and I'm currently in. Actually, I will show you that right away. So this is the euro dollar time chart. I'm trading 4-hour time frame. We had a rejection here, a nice rejection, okay, and this is also T89. Now we also had some reaction, although not strong, but the price is still below the higher time frame moving average, below the Wiz level 0, below the weekly H3. So what can happen is, maybe, in my opinion, before the Thursday, that the price rejects from the level and go and test this weekly L3. Anyway, this is a start of the trend, so we need to be patient in. And I'm now trading actually 4-hour time frame. I've been trading this for the last 3 months with extremely good result. So I'm short on euro dollar. Again, my opinion is that NFP result was not bad. It missed the prediction, but 130K on NFP is still good result, especially because wages are going up. We have a tick up in wages, and unemployment is full, and employment is full in the US. So in my opinion, good data. But as I say, market maybe is now in retracement mode, just because we have Thursday ECB meeting. Maybe the market wants to sell it higher. Anyway, I'm in position, and well, I trade what I see. So that's it. Regarding the GBP dollar, now the GBP dollar is in uptrend, and it definitely switched. So this is the GBP dollar. Okay, I will put it right here. GBP dollar. It's trying to push up. As I said, obviously this is V-shaped reversal. Market is changing the sentiment now. I would say that potentially 2270 is the entry, okay, because it's uptrend. So entry is around 2270, okay, to, let's say, 2260 to 75. The spread, always at the spread. Now the stop loss is definitely below this candle here, and the candle here is 2232, so stop loss is 2225. Okay, and the target for the move is, I think that the price might come here to 2420. Okay, with level 4, 2420. Also red line here indicating strong resistance. So 24 again, 2420, right? Yes, 2420. Okay. Eventual sell is from the, again, 1.2420, around that level. There could be a sell, and the stop loss would be 2470, because we have monthly resistance, and the target for A sell again, it's Brexit related. Be careful always. 22.80. Okay, now let's go to the Australian dollar. Australian dollar is, let me check the Australian dollar. Tricky. It's still ranging, so I don't think anything substantial here. I would say sell. Oh, this is strong sell. Maybe naked sell. This is very strong. 69.20 to 30. 69.20 to 30 is a sell. This is a very good sell, in my opinion. Stop loss goes to 69.70. I don't think it will go much higher if it wants to go down. And here, the actual drop might target 68.35, so 68.40, I would say. If it's a sell, then definitely this is very strong level. I'll be paying attention to this. Now longs, again, similar. 68.30 is the long position, somewhere around the region. 20 to 30. Always, guys, this is prediction. So always, if the price comes very close and you see a rejection candle or a signal, then you go. Of course, these are the zones. 67.90, so 67.85, and the target is 69.20, of course. Now, instead of CAD yen, I'm going to do the dollar yen, because in my opinion, the dollar yen should go up, but let me change this. So now we have a potential for dollar yen long. So I'm going to see where it could be a buy opportunity. Yeah, it's going up as presumed. Yes, 106.70 here if the price makes. This is an order block. 106. 60 to 70. This is going up, and down is, well, 106. Definitely here. 106.30. Stop loss. Always add a spread to your stop loss. The target for the move, 107.40. Sell 107.30 to 40. Stop loss goes to 107.60. We have monthly levels, so 65. 65. Monthly level should hold it if it wants to drop from the level, and the eventual target 106.50. Yeah, 106.50. Bitcoin dollar, guys. All of you who trade the Bitcoin, I analyze it. I don't trade it. Now this is going down, I think. So 110. Actually, I don't see clearly these levels because they haven't been printed out yet. But I would say monthly level 10.374. So the zone, guys, okay? 470. And the target is 99.25. Alternative is 99.25, 94.25, 10.470. So this is the Bitcoin. And finally, the gold. The gold started a move that could be actually the start of a trend change. Let me check XAU USD. Yeah, you see it's dropping, but I would say potential for a long can be found at 1490, weekly level 3. 1490 now. Okay, this is a bigger, normal retracement for the gold. 85 is stop loss. And the target with this move, I would say 1530. And that is where it could sell. Sell 1530, 35 here, 1490. So, guys, these are quick trading ideas. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask me. I still have a sell on the euro dollar, and I'm keeping it despite the price moving against me because, as I say, I always trust my own guns. So maybe, as I say, it could go higher just because on Thursday we have the ECB decision. So the price is not yet to go full swing down, but this is still a downtrend. And you can see it's been kept below all these confluence levels here. So this is the euro dollar. This is the pound dollar. This is the Australian dollar. This is the dollar yen. Then the Bitcoin dollar. And finally, the gold. Again, follow my FX book if you want to see my trading performance. This is Camerala MACD 4-hour time frame. The account is started on December 2018. It's in huge profit. I hope that you enjoy it. And for more trading ideas, go to ECS website, elliottcurrency.com, and go to select one of the packages for Telegram channel. Hope to see you soon. Cheers, guys, and trade safe.